ഹലോ കൂട്ടുകാരെ, എല്ലാവർക്കും ടാലന്റ് ഹണ്ടിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് NMMS സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നും പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്ന ഏതാനും ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ്. Who led the excavation of Indus Valley Civilization? ദയാറാം സാഹ്നി, R.D Banerjee, Sir John Marshall, Brenton Brothers. Sir John Marshall led the excavation of Indus Valley Civilization. Who led the excavation in Harappa? Dayaram Sahni, Sir John Marshall, Alexander Cunningham, R.D Banerjee. Dayaram Sahni led the excavation in Harappa. Who was the director of Archaeological Survey of India in 1921? Sir John Marshall, R.D Banerjee, Dayaram Sahni, Alexander Cunningham. Sir John Marshall was the director of Archaeological Survey of India in 1921. R.D Banerjee led the excavation in Dash in present Pakistan: Harappa, Banwali, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal. R.D Banerjee led the excavation in Mohenjo-daro in present Pakistan. What is the period of Harappan Civilization? BCE 2700 to BCE 1500, BCE 2000 to BCE 1200, BCE 2400 to BCE 1700, BCE 2700 to BCE 1700, BCE 2700 to BCE 1700. The period of Harappan Civilization is BCE 2700 to BCE 1700. What was the key feature of Indus Valley Civilization? Use of burnt brick, use of stone weapon, hunting, made pots of clay. Use of burnt bricks was the key feature of Indus Valley Civilization. Where is Great Bath discovered? Lothal, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Shortugai. Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath is discovered in Mohenjo-daro. Which part of Harappa used lay administrators? North, east, west, south. West. The west part of Harappa used by lay administrators. Which part of Harappa were inhabited lay common people? East, west, north, south. East. East part of Harappa were inhabited lay common people. Which river made the soil of Harappan civilization fertile? Ganga, Indus, Euphrates, Tigris. Indus river made the soil of Harappan civilization fertile. In which part of Rajasthan during Harappan civilization farming was done? Lay ploughing. Kalibangan, Jaipur, Marwar, Ajmer. Kalibangan. Where did the surplus agricultural products stored by Harappan civilization? Great Bath, granary, field, administrative hall. Granary. The surplus agricultural products were stored in granary. What is the evidence of trade link between Mesopotamians and Harappan civilization in Harappa? Mesopotamian coins, Mesopotamian clay art, Mesopotamian ornaments, Mesopotamian seal. The Mesopotamian seal was the evidence of trade link between Mesopotamians and Harappan civilization in Harappa. Which was the center of maritime trade during Harappan civilization? Raipur, Khetri, Ajmer, Lothal. Lothal was the center of maritime trade during Harappan civilization. Which metal was widely used to make tools and ornaments? Lee Harappa. Copper, tin, bronze, silver. Bronze was widely used to make tools and ornaments. Lee Harappa. When did Harappan civilization decline? BCE 1700, BCE 1500, BCE 2000, BCE 1600, BCE 1700. In BCE 1700, Harappan civilization was declined. What name commonly calls for the Egyptian kings? Pharaoh, Nawab, Sir, Commander. Pharaohs were the Egyptian kings. What were called for the corpses of Egyptian kings? Pyramid, mummy, dead body, tribute. Mummy. Mummy were called for the corpses of Egyptian kings. What is mummy preserved? Great Bath, Pyramid, Valley, Nile. Pyramid. Mummy was preserved in Pyramid. In which riverside the Egyptian civilization flourished? Tigris, Euphrates, Nile, Indus. Nile. Egyptian civilization was flourished in the valley of Nile River. Name the art of writing for the Egyptian civilization. Hieroglyphics, cuneiform, cartography, origami. Hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics was the art of writing for the Egyptian civilization. What is the meaning of hieroglyphics? Sacred painting, sacred drawing, sculpture, sacred writing. Sacred writing. The meaning of hieroglyphics is sacred writing. Which plant was used for hieroglyphics writing? Neem, poppy plant, papyrus, alder. Papyrus. Papyrus was used for hieroglyphics writing. Who first deciphered hieroglyphic script? Napoleon, R.D Banerjee, Sir John Marshall, Jayram Sahini. Napoleon first deciphered hieroglyphic script. Who formulated solar calendar? Chinese, Egyptian, Harappa, Mesopotamian. Harappa formulated solar calendar. Ziggurat is the architectural skill of dash. Mesopotamian, Chinese, Egyptian, Harappa. Mesopotamian. Ziggurat is the architectural skill of Mesopotamian. What is the meaning of the word Mesopotamia? The land between rivers. In which river valley does the Chinese civilization flourish? Tigris, Huanghe, Nile, Euphrates. Huanghe. Chinese civilization was flourished in the river valley of Huanghe. Which civilization had the pictographic script of writing? Chinese, Mesopotamian, Harappa, Egyptian. Chinese civilization had the pictographic script of writing. What did the hieroglyphic script engraved? Brick, alder, Rosetta, rock. Rosetta. Hieroglyphic script was engraved in Rosetta. What is sundial? Font, calculator, clock, calendar. Sundial was a calendar. What is Mesopotamian civilization flourished? Iran, Pakistan, Iraq, Afghanistan. Iraq. Where does the Euphrates and Tigris river merge? Armenian mountain, Persian Sea, Indus River, Pacific Ocean. Persian Sea. Euphrates and Tigris were merged in Persian Sea. Name the art of writing for Mesopotamian civilization. Cuneiform, cartography, origami, hieroglyphics. Cuneiform was the art of writing for Mesopotamian civilization. When Napoleon conquered Egypt, 1783, 1758, 1799, 1798. 1783. Napoleon conquered Egypt in 1783. Which among the following are not the sites of Indus Valley civilization? Alangirpur, Mesopotamia, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. Mesopotamia. Which among the following is not the cause of Harappan's decline? Flood, afforestation, deforestation, external invasion. Afforestation is not the cause of Harappan's decline. കൂട്ടുകാരെ വീഡിയോ അവസാനിച്ചു. വീഡിയോ ഉപകാരപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും മറ്റുള്ള കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലൂടെ അറിയിക്കാനും മറക്കരുത്. ടാലന്റ് ഹണ്ട് ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും അതിന് തൊട്ടടുത്ത് കാണുന്ന ബെല്ലൈക്കണിൽ ഓൾ എന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താലേ ഇനി നമ്മൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോകളുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. കൂട്ടുകാരെ NMMS സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ് പരീക്ഷയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട വീഡിയോകൾ ഇതിനു മുമ്പും അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാണാത്തവർ കാണാൻ മറക്കരുത്. മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയുമായി നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് ദിസ് വീഡിയോ.